Hi there, welcome to Axure RP. In this video, we'll go over the basics of creating and sharing prototypes. You'll learn about pages, widgets, and interactions, as well as how to view your prototypes in a web browser. Let's get started. Axure RP files are organized into pages, which you can manage in the Pages pane. To add a new page, click the Add Page button. You can double-click a page to open it on the canvas, where you can add widgets, such as text widgets, shape widgets, and form fields. To add a widget to the canvas, just drag it from the Libraries pane. You can also use the Insert menu to draw widgets. To edit the text on a widget, double-click it, or select it and press Enter. You can change the style properties of a widget, including fill color and font, using the Style toolbar above the canvas. You can also use the Style pane to the right. Now let's add some interactivity with the Interactions pane. To quickly create a link to another page in your prototype, we can use a common interaction. Select a widget and click the Open Link interaction. Then select a page. Let's test that out. Clicking the Preview button opens the page in a browser. If we click the Next Page button, it takes us to page 2 as expected. You can do a lot more than just link between pages. Let's create an interaction that shows an image when you mouse over a button and hides it again when you mouse off the button. First, let's hide the image by default using the Style toolbar. Then select the button widget and click New Interaction. Choose the mouse enter event and the show/hide action. In the drop-down, let's select the image widget and leave Show selected. Next, we'll use the mouse exit event to hide the image. Preview to see that working. Perfect. Let's make one more interaction, but this time using a dynamic panel. Dynamic panels are containers with multiple states, and you can easily change which state is visible using interactions. Start by dragging a dynamic panel from the Libraries pane. Double-click it to open the first state, and drag and drop a couple widgets into that state. To add a second state, click the State drop-down and choose Add State. Now we can add a couple widgets to the second state. To see and edit all the states at once, click View All. Next, let's add a button and use the Set Panel State action to set the dynamic panel to its next state when the button is clicked. Let's try it out. In the preview, you can see the panel state change. Using dynamic panels is a quick way to prototype almost anything. When you're ready to share your prototype, click Share to publish to Axure Cloud. Enter a name and an optional access code. Then click Publish to get a shareable link. Now you're ready to get started in Axure RP. Head over to axure.com/learn for more resources. Thanks for watching and happy prototyping!